Most people watching the new Figure 03 footage are distracted by how smooth the robots move. They see a machine cleaning a bedroom or moving crate and think it looks natural. But if you're looking at this through an engineering lens, you realize that natural is the hardest thing in the world to achieve. For the last 5 years, the humanoid industry has been stuck in the scripted phase. Robots doing one task, in one room, under perfect lighting. With the release of the Figure 03 and the Helix S0 foundation model, that era is officially over. We are now entering the era of the general-purpose worker. To understand why this is a massive leap forward, we have to start with the hardware. The Figure 03 is not just a polished version of the 02. It is a fundamental redesign focused on what engineers call mass energy optimization. Every gram of weight on a humanoid costs battery life and compromises balance. Figure has managed to reduce the total mass of the 03 by 9%, but they didn't do it by removing features. They did it through high-level structural integration. By using the robot's frame as a heatsink and optimizing the wiring looms, they've cleared the internal clutter that usually plagues these machines. This reduction in mass is paired with a massive upgrade in torque density. If you look at the gait of the Figure 03 during the bedroom tidy demo, you'll notice the lack of the humanoid shuffle. Most robots walk with their knees permanently bent to keep their center of gravity stable. Figure 03 is walking with a much straighter leg profile, which is only possible because the actuators in the hips and ankles can respond to microslips in milliseconds. This is what we call Locomanipulation. It means the robot doesn't have to stop walking to start working. It can reach for a laundry basket while its legs are still in motion, shifting its weight dynamically just like a human does. But the real star of the recent bedroom demo isn't the walking. It's the manipulation of deformable objects. In the world of AI training, a rigid object like a screwdriver or a box is easy. It has a fixed shape. You can tell a robot exactly where to grip it. A blanket, however, is a nightmare. It has infinite degrees of freedom. Every time you touch it, its shape changes. When Figure showed 2 robots coordinating to make a bed, they weren't just showing off a chore. They were showing that their new Helix S0 model understands the physics of non-rigid materials. The robots are sensing the tension in the fabric through their motors, a process called force torque sensing, and adjusting their pull in real time. If one robot pulls too hard, the other feels that resistance and yields. This level of collaborative proprioception is something we haven't seen at this scale, and it puts a massive amount of pressure on competitors like Tesla and Agibot. Perhaps the most shocking part of the update is how Figure is making these machines. They recently revealed that their BotQ facility has hit a major production milestone. By moving to a custom manufacturing system with over 150 workstations, they have increased their throughput by 24 times. They are now pumping out a new Figure 03 robot every single hour. This isn't just about speed, it's about reliability. Each robot undergoes 80 functional tests, including thousands of squats and shoulder presses, before it is cleared for duty. Figure is moving away from being a research lab and becoming a hardware OEM. With a target price of $20,000 and a 5-hour wireless charging runtime, the distance between a YouTube demo and a deployed worker just vanished. Tesla has the data and Unitree has the price point. But right now, Figure has the execution. If these May 2026 demos are any indication of what is coming, the factory floor and your bedroom are about to look very different. If you appreciate this kind of technical deep dive without the marketing fluff, hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching RoboFrontier. I'll catch you in the next one.